talk about is called minimum flips to make A or B equal to C. So here we are talking about bitwise or operation. Okay. So we had true or true equals true, true or false equals true, false or true equals true, and false or false equals false. So what the question wants you to do is, you have been given a few values of A, B, and C. So let's suppose A is 2, B is 6, and C. So you have to perform OR operation on A and B and make it equal to C by flipping the bits. Okay. So for example, for 2 we have 0, 1, 0. For 6 we have 1, 1, 0. Right. So if I perform OR operation on it, then I'll get 0, 1, 1. Right. And I need it to be equal to 1, 0, 1. So how will I be able to achieve that? See, I have 0 and 0 over here. Right. I need 1 over here. So if we look over here, we know that even if one of these is true, then if one of these becomes 1, then the answer for our OR operation will give me 1. So I can make this equal to 1, or I can make this equal to 1. So how many flips do I require? 1. Then in this position I have 1. I need 0. The only way in which I can get 0 in this place is if I make both of these places equal to 0. So I need to flip this also. I need to flip this. So how many flips do I get? For this position I need to make no flips because the answer is. So I get total 3 flips. So this is what you have to do in the question. Now see how will you do it. In the previous questions you learned about set and unset. If you haven't watched those videos and if you don't know about them, then please go and watch the previous videos because they are the prerequisites. Otherwise you won't be able to understand what we are doing properly. Okay. So assuming that you've already watched those videos, let's move ahead. So see, you have two conditions, right? The final answer bit which you want is either set or unset. In case that it is set, right, and you need to make changes, the only condition where you will need to make changes is when both AI and BI will be unset. Right? For example, if I want the final bit to be 1 and both of my bits are 0. So if both of these are 0, only in that case I'll have to make the change, right? If even one of these was set, then I do not need to make any changes. So if I had any of these as 1, then I not need to make any changes to it. The only condition where I need to make any changes was where both of these were unset. So I'll add answer plus equals 1, because if either of these becomes 1, then our answer will be 1. Okay. The next thing is that if my final bit needs to be unset, then I'll have three conditions that maybe A and B both are set. Okay. Second would be A or B is set. That means either of them are set. Okay. And the third condition would be A and B both are unset. So both are unset, then I do not need to make any changes. So this will be correct only, right? Just do nothing for it. Okay. One of these is set. For example, if I have 0, 1 and I want 0 over here, so I only need to change one of these, flip one of these. So to my answer, I will add 1, right? And if both are set, that means if I had 1 and 1 over here and I needed 0, then I need to flip both of them, right? So to my answer, I add. Okay, now let's try to do this using code. Okay, so what will we do? We will create a result variable, right? And we will do iteratively. So for it, I is equal to 0, I is less than 32, I plus plus. We will not take it as I is less than equal to 32 because otherwise it will give us out of bounds. Now, if you have done the previous questions, you know what I am doing over here. Just for a recap, I am trying to figure out the set bits for all of these, right? For A, B as well as C. So, it will also be false. Then I'll say that if A one left shift I does not give me 0, then that means A is true. And same thing we will copy for B as well as C. And we will do B as well. C also. Now we will check if C is set or unset. So if C is set, we discussed some cases. And if it is unset, then we discussed a few cases. So if C was set, then we were checking that if A as well as B both were unset, right? So if A and B both are unset, then to the result we add, right? And if C was unset, then the two conditions where we were making changes in the answer was that either when A as well as B were both set, right? Or if one of them were set. So when both were set, we were adding 2 to our answer, right? And if one of them were set, then we were adding 1 to the answer. This will finalize my result, right? And I will simply return the result. So it will give me the final number of flips which I require to make A or B equal to C. So we discussed the question minimum flips required to make A or B equal to C. So I hope you understood the question as well as solution. And I will not be able to run this for you right now because we are working on the test cases for you. But hopefully very soon you will be able to run this on the portal. Till then, have faith that the code is correct. Okay. Keep on practicing. Thank you for watching the video. We will see each other in the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe to the channel.